back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for future updates. So do you have a coconut shell and you are about to throw it? Then don't throw it, because in today's video I am going to share with you how I have made a beautiful coconut shell lantern for Diwali decoration. If you like this video, give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down there below. So let's get started. To make this DIY project, you need a coconut shell, white color spray paint, some colorful permanent marker, a wire, grater and a drill machine. At first, clear out the coconut shell. Now the coconut shell is all cleaned. Now take the drill machine and drill some patterns. Make sure when you will drill, you hold the coconut shell properly, otherwise it will slip and you can get hurt. So here I have created this type of patterns. You can go for any pattern according to yourself. Now let's paint it. Now let it dry. Coconut shell is completely dried. Now with the help of permanent marker, let's do some pattern over here or design over here. Instead of permanent marker, you can use fabric color also. I have made this type of colorful pattern over here. Now let's tie the wire to make the handle of this lantern. And this is the final result. For lighting, I have used string lights, but if you have candle, go for candle also. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. Share the video with your friends and family for Diwali decoration. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.